guys. Welcome to HeadBangers Ball. My name is Noah Herout. Obviously, if you don't know me, then go watch the other AVTV that I was in. So, anyways, what we're going to talk about today is how metal came to be in the first place, alright? So, let's go. So one day, this guy named Tony Iommi made a riff for their new band and accidentally made a heavy riff that goes exactly like this. And with that, my friends, metal was born. Black Sabbath became a big band that revolutionized a generation of people. Then bands like Motorhead, Iron Maiden, Judas Priest, Scorpions, Rush, Van Halen, Led Zeppelin, Kiss, oh my gosh, all these great metal bands. And although one of them is a very obscure band, and they are called Venom. Venom, although not well known, were one of the biggest thrash bands to inspire the thrash metal bands that we see now, like Metallica, Anthrax, Megadeth, Slayer, all those freaking bands. Venom defined their sound through their satanic imagery and hard, fast, damp riffs. Let's just say that this is all what non-metalheads think when they think of the term heavy metal, really. They started the subgenres of thrash metal, black metal, extreme metal, all just so many good versions. Without Venom, we wouldn't have all the great bands I think we have now, like Death and Slayer and all those other, great bands out there. Anyways, that is it for today's episode, and there is more where that came from, because next episode on the HeadBangers Ball, we are going to look at the icons that built the heavy metal regime. And if you want to be on the show as a guest host, just contact me right here. The QR code is right there.